Welcome back to T.Cobb's Eats. This is Taylor, and I've got 4 exciting flavors of ice cream to share with you today. Now, if you haven't already checked out my previous video, how to make no churn ice cream, I strongly suggest you check that out as well, as we're going to be using that as a base to create the 4 flavors I'm going to share with you in this video. And what are we waiting for? Let's get going. A classic Oreo cookie, or also commonly known as cookies and cream ice cream. As the name implies, our vanilla ice cream gets loaded with 2 dozen Oreo cookies blitzed in a food processor. Once complete, set aside while we work on the vanilla base. From here, let's add our crushed Oreo cookies into the vanilla base, then fold just until incorporated. Finally, set mixture into a bread loaf pan, even off the top, and freeze for at least 6 hours. And there it is, Oreo Cookie Overload Ice Cream. Next up, another popular flavor in the ice cream kingdom, Rocky Road Ice Cream. For starters, we'll need a chocolate ice cream base. Coming up next is 1/2 cup each of mini chocolate chips, chopped pecans, and mini marshmallows. Again, fold just until incorporated. And as the pattern continues, set into a bread loaf pan, even off the top, and freeze for 6 hours. There it is, and simply done, Rocky Road ice cream. Now for what I like to call Galactic Mix Barrier. We'll start with 1 cup of frozen raspberries. To speed the thawing process, add enough cold water to cover and let set for 5 minutes. Strain excess water, then transfer into a compartment of a small food processor. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now repeat for the blueberries, and here's a quick and concise rundown on that. Using vanilla as our base, divide into 3 separate bowls. Incorporate blueberry puree into 1 bowl and mix. And now do it again with the raspberry puree. Now at this point, alternate between the blueberry, vanilla, and raspberry until all is in the pan. Give it a gentle swirl, being careful not to overmix, even off the top, and freeze again for another 6 hours. Here is Galactic Mix Berry Ice Cream. For our final flavor, double Reeses featuring both peanut butter cups and pieces. We'll need to make peanut butter ice cream for this one, so just like our chocolate, melt 1 12-ounce bag of Reese's peanut butter chips. Then add to your sweetened condensed milk and whipping cream mixture until combined. Chop up 1 dozen peanut butter cups. To make cutting easier, place Reese's in the freezer ahead of time. Now add our peanut butter cups into our mixture, fold until combined, add the Reese's pieces, once again fold until combined, and as always, set in the bread loaf pan, even off the top, and set in the freezer for 6 hours. And that's all there is to it, quick and easy. Now for the question of the day. What is your favorite flavor of ice cream? Please drop a comment down below with your answer. If you like what you saw, please smash that like button, and to stay tuned with what's coming at you next, please also subscribe and tap that bell so that you can be instantly notified. And as always, Have a good one.